The Joint Action Committee of KHUN, HAJAR, Hima Sohiong and members of the public have once again threatened to march to the office of the KHASI Autonomous District Council in Shillong if the council fails to return the province of NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR to Hima Sohiong and also to remove the LYNGDOH of Hima Sohiong from his current position. Speaking to media persons, the chairman of the JAC, Shillong, informed that the residents of Hima Sohiong will again gather in front of the KHADC office premises to protest against the apathy of the chief executive member of the council, Khan, and the executive member in charge, Ilaka Jamborwar, towards the demands of the people.
Ban jospon ne ban weng no yo basan phang thaba na liang jongi kum kino nyalam jong ka joint action committee KHUN KHAJAR Hima Sohiong isa ong ane ni saya wer iki ya baro KHUN KHAJAR Hima Sohiong bantu report sosial namar ba lada baro sigata kajing wan ye kram kajing ajing tho ka dei tang na liang jongi ini khmat na hipai ba ini khmat na KHUN KHAJAR Hima Sohiong andai lada kipas ngap yang kebangikan yang kebanging tho kata kasyong kabot hipai ba bansu.
The secretary of the JAC, Maj Kubarthaba, while speaking on the recent protest of members of the JAC of Hima Sohiong that resulted in the destruction of the main gate of the KHADC office premises, said that the remarks made by the EM Ilaka Jamborwar on the people of Hima Sohiong as behaving like wild animals are unacceptable by the JAC, and such comments are just a cover-up of the council's silence to the demands of the people of the Hima. He also said that the KHADC, under the leadership of Khan, has not been performing its duties as per the terms and norms of the district council in relation to the preservation and defense of land. At the same time, Thaba alleged that the council members have been self-centered enough to not pay heed to the demands put forth by the people of Hima Sohiong to the KHADC since 2019.
Hadian bangi lawan apa iba, andai lakhin ruklau penban yangi. Teka jengkeli minta kalong, hato ngidai mangine, dai makine, kita kiru klau, kibam itu, kibam pet hiru ya kejeng tok kebangi laai. Andai bangi ngiyat klem kalenti, ngilayat nyadu kejeng tok, ngilayat nyadu kejeng keren, ngilayat nyadu ban ya kendu, andai ngilak bu ya appointment ru uklem sim lala cu ban kendu yangi. Retat hadian bangi lak bu cucu ya appointment ru uang bang melak cu ban bu appointment bangi. Jadi kita kanong rem bangi ru kum KHUN KHAJAR mihap banwan sapok KHADC banwan dapat ba. Ti kata ke bangi pensai na KJC KHUN KHAJAR jok Hima Sohiong. Kumba ni haka lat thai kibor haka sautarik banai Februari iba em Ilaka Jamborwar ila kren sai bai ka Hima nongwa amla syuk ban pai sak Hima Sohiong kandon no sak Hima jiran Hendrai na kaliang si em padang udang kren uang dang don ha kalenti benda penbai te kan ka pen ilngo yang KHUN KHAJAR Hima Sohiong kan okor kom ha uang pada bamla syuk ban pai Hendrai mentah pada uang penban badang ye penbai tingi sa ngo ngi sa ko umdom tikane ke penpau baka jing trai kam jongki kolong kena ka pa ba kimsim ya kata ke jingkit kali bagi ong ban yada ban ki ong kita kilong kita kinong kibah khamat ban yada nang ta ka KHADC nang ta ka jaj ban rio nang ta khandeu ka siap apa ri kasi jongi ndring ngim chim yo i ya kata